may street dog kami nakita. Nahirapan kaming maghanap ng mga street dogs. Tumitingin siya, baka may mag-aagaw sa kanya eh. No, so nag-whistle lang ako dito, dog whistle. Bigla siya nag-bark.
Run siya towards us.
Ito yung na-mention ko sa kanya, maraming mga
Small.
This one is small, no? Then the
Probably can be beat up by the other dogs here.
tingin ko siya, scared siya. Tingin siya.
Worry
Ay,
siya.
kainin niya lahat yan. Okay, dog. Good luck on your dinner. See you. No? Enjoy your dinner. Di ba?
Kunan ko kayo ng isang bread.
Saan? Ano mo? Baka magkainin niya. Okay, sige. So this whistle. Just whistle.
Hindi nag-bark ba?
Huh?
Parang magic lagi yun.
Dog whistle. They're really receptive. Malawak dito, no? This is the intersection. Tingin ko hindi pa masyado nahanap ng kwanto ba. Nalito yung Google Maps kanina. Very wide. Parang Pilipinas ang perception ko nga dito eh. No, rather than Turkey ang setup niya. Although this is a relatively new town kasi yung planning nila better. What do you think, Hannah?
Yep. Usually mga old towns na narrow roads.
Small, narrow roads. Even in Istanbul na their capital city, very narrow roads. Dito, itong the roads here are even wider than in Vienna. No, may bike lane sila, may pedestrian. I think ito yung classification nila eh. Then may parking pa sila talaga, provision for parking. So our car is parked here outside. Ay, dun pa yung hotel, no? Okay. Ano? Ang gabi. Uy, si Abdul, nandito si Abdul. This is our car. Then this is our hotel. Okay. Babuy. Babu.